boxes for the month of January. I just received it and I was about to open it and I found something unusual, so I thought I'll do it right on the camera. So without wasting any further time, let's just get into it. So if you remember, the Sugarbox always comes in a white kind of box, and the little thing that I opened, it is looking like a green box, so quite excited for that. Alright, so this is how the box looks like. It's a different kind of green. Neither it's too fluorescent nor it's dark. Like, it's a kind of green that you can accept, and it looks like a Christmas box and it's filled up to the top. It's literally bursting out. So let's just get into it. The theme for this month is 4th anniversary. Okay, so this is the 4th anniversary edition. 4 years of sharing happiness, 4 years of love, 4 years of surprises, a lot more to come, and this is the anniversary edition. So the first thing that I see inside are these are mink slippers that you wear at home. It is very soft to touch. It is in a like deep red kind of color with black polka dots, and I also have a Hello Kitty on top of it. So that is the first thing that we receive in the box. The second thing that I see is this, and I think this is a bag. Let me open it. So this is a huge bag which says Wanderlust on top of it. It is like kind of faded purplish color with leather straps, and we do have a zip. On the back side we have a pocket, and on the front there is nothing. I do see the long straps inside. We do get one zip towards the front of the bag, and then one pocket on the back of it. So that is the bag that we have received this month. The quality of the bag is not so good. Again, it's like jutish bag. It seems very strong, but it's not very appealing to the eyes. Like, it is just okayish kind of bag. I don't really like it that much. The next thing that I see inside is this. This is Copycat Nail Luster. So this is, I believe, the matte nail paint, and this is in the shade 10. It is a very deep red kind of color, and I have similar color. My mom got it for me, or I think Shivani got it. Either of them. So this is a matte nail paint. This is the third product in the box. Next thing that I see inside is this. This is fresh fruit. Today, I think these are earphones. Okay, so these are earphones, and they are compatible with iPhone, iOS, Samsung, HTC, Xiaomi, and other mainstream Android phones and laptops, and it's 3.5mm jack headphone. The next thing that I see inside is one Toblerone, and it's like a chocolate. Then we have this cute little jute potli, inside which I can see a pair of earrings, and this is by far the only thing that I like in the box. Though they are not you can easily see they are not very high end, but they are looking very pretty, and I think they look very good. So the next thing that I see inside box is this. So this is the phone accessory that you put on the back of your phone. So you can pull it, and it will be easier for you to hold your phone with that. So you can just hold it like this, your phone, and it is this one is comes with a sticker, so all you need to do is just paste it on top of your phone or on your case, and that should work fine. And this is a pop-up clip. It is also, they also included a car mount in this. The below one is car mount, and then we have the pop-up clip as well. So that, and the last thing that I see inside the box is this. This is a lower, basic cotton mint color lower. It has flowers all over it, and that is it, you guys. That is everything that we received in the month of January for this month. So even though this was their anniversary edition, I think they could have added better quality things or good things. They did include quite a few items this month, but I for some reason think that Sugarbox doesn't really, it doesn't consistently give you good products. For example, this was the anniversary edition, and it should have totally blown our minds away, but there's nothing like that. We did receive quite a few products. So overall we received 7 products, but all of them are meh. like nothing that stands out, nothing that is too good. We received similar kind of headphones even in some other month, which were like the Minion headphones. So they are like okayish, they are not very good. I think they also give, this is a case for this particular thing, I'm not quite sure, I haven't really opened it. So I'm not really opening this because I will be including this in my giveaway, so that's the reason why.
Alright guys, so I thought about it a lot and I think I'm going to give this entire box away. So in order to win this box, you have to do 3 things. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, like follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Shatakshi Vashisht official, and comment on like my last 3 videos, and also tag your friends in my last 3 Instagram posts. So that is all. I will write all of these rules in the description bar as well, and now we can continue.
And that is everything that we have received in the month of January, or that was there for like the anniversary edition. My favorite has to be these earrings. Out of all of the things, this is the only thing that I liked in the box. Let me know what was your favorite product, and also if you agree with what Sugarbox really gives us are not really like the best quality material that we get. We do get like, it's sometimes we do get quantity. Like the last 2 months I was still kind of happy with them, but again this month is not something that totally stands out. I think they could have done a lot better. Like they could have included good product, like even if you don't want to include a lot of items, you can include few items with very good quality. So I think that is something that Sugarbox really needs to work on, and I'm not really sure if they do take feedback, but if they do, I think that is something that they must consider. So that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know which one was your favorite product, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling.